Hey you guys, how's it going? Eliza here from elizacabrera.com, and in today's video I'm going to give you 5 creative ways for you to market your t-shirt. Alright, so let's get into it, guys. This one you can literally do as soon as you finish watching this video. Is share your shirt on the Facebook Marketplace. Yes, Facebook Marketplace, guys. So basically, if you're not already shopping there, or if you never uploaded anything on there, you're gonna go onto your Facebook app or on your computer, and you're gonna find the little thing where you shop on Facebook. It's the marketplace, guys, and drop your shirt in there. Hello. You probably never thought about that, but you never know who may be scrolling, they see your t-shirt, and they're like, oh my god, and it's completely free. So if they send you a DM, you send them the link to your website. Boom. So that's the first way, guys. The second way is another way you can do right now is OfferUp. OfferUp, yes, OfferUp and Let Go, they're actually together now. That is also another marketplace where people go to buy items. Post your shirt on there. You never ever know, right? Number 3, guys, number three. Now this one is gonna require you to do a little bit of work, a little bit of research, but trust me, it is something that is completely worth it. Is create a blog section on your website and put some blogs in there. Now, if you're thinking, I don't want to create no blogs, I'm not a writer, I don't feel like doing that, guess what? You don't have to do it. So one, you can do it yourself, but what I'm teaching you right now is for you not to do it. So how are you going to do that? Is very simple. Find other people to blog for you. But you don't just want to find anybody, right? Here's what you want to do. You want to find other bloggers out there. Find somebody who's already created content on something that is related to your niche, guys. So find somebody out there who's already blogging, who already has an audience, and go on their website and find one of their articles and see which one would fit best on your website. And what you're going to do is you're going to send them an email and ask them if you can host their blog on your website. Listen, it's a win-win collaboration for both of you. Now, here's the thing. You obviously need to be smart on who it is that you are reaching out to. You're not going to reach out to, if you're just getting started, you're not going to reach out to somebody who has 100K followers and has a huge engagement on their website and you have 100 followers. No, they're not going to pay you any attention. Find somebody who's on your level, guys. There's so many small business owners now, content creators, and I think that it's very easy for you to find somebody in your industry, in your niche, who has some content that you can use and post it on your website. And here's the thing, it doesn't have to be a blog, right? Get creative. Maybe it's an infographic, maybe it's a video, right? I'm just saying blog because that's going to be the section on your website, but it can just be something that it provides value to your audience and it makes sense to be on your website, right? So just be smart about that. So for example, for me, right, for the CBD health and fitness industry that I'm a part of, I'm gonna find somebody who is giving out tips on how to shrink your waist. Let's say they created a video on it, or they created a short little blog on it. I'm gonna reach out to them and say, hey, would it be okay for me to share your infographic, your blog post, your video on my website? I'm gonna give you the credit. I'm gonna drive traffic to your page, to whatever, you know what I'm saying? Have a conversation with this person. Figure out what you guys can exchange, right? Because it's a win-win for both of you. They're getting on your platform, you're getting on their platform. So it's a great opportunity for exposure, for leads, and most importantly, it's a way for you to market your t-shirt. Hello, right? So if you have any questions about that, drop them in the comments. I can absolutely answer them for you guys. And if you found any of this right now, because we're not done yet, if you're finding any of this valuable, please go ahead and subscribe and press that like button. So the 4th way for you to market your t-shirt is you are going to want to take some photos with your t-shirts, but not you, right? Let's say you have models, if you're not the type of person who's modeling your own t-shirts. But here's what I want you to do. don't just take the pictures and post them. What you are going to do is you're going to create motivational quotes with your models wearing your t-shirts, right? I mean, I know that sounds simple and maybe you're already doing this, but make sure that they're shareable posts. Shareable posts. So what I mean is something that's gonna get somebody to share in their story, something that's gonna share, share as a post, and give that call to action. Share this. Tag 2 people who need to hear this right now, right? So that one is very simple, but I want to emphasize that you have a good looking model, and I don't mean like she needs to be skinny, but something that of course is going to fit whatever that quote is, right? So just be smart. Don't just throw any picture with the quote. Make sure the pose and the face matches whatever your graphic is, and it matches the quote, right? So just be strategic with that strategy. But trust me, it works, because when people see a model wearing a shirt with a next to a quote, they're gonna be like, yo, where's that shirt from? And of course you're gonna have it in that graphic, whatever your website is. Put the name of your website, www.elizacabrera.com, right? I always share my graphics with my website, and don't even put your at, just put your website. Put your website, and make sure you're giving that call to action in your description for people to tag or people to share, because the point of that graphic is for it to be shared on the internet so other people can see your shirt, right? We're marketing. So that's the 4th way, guys. The 5th way is to do a try on haul of your shirts. And basically what I mean is you want to try on multiple outfits to show people how to wear your shirt. Maybe they like it, but they're like, how am I gonna wear that shirt, right? Give people creative ideas. Whether that's you doing the modeling or you finding some people that you know to do the modeling for you. And then now with TikTok, forget about it. The way you can do these try-on hauls is even more creative, guys. So get creative and don't be afraid to try on different things, right? So just to quickly recap all of the suggestions I just gave is: number 1, marketplace, Facebook marketplace. Any marketplace that you find online, post your shirts on there. OfferUp. Number 2, OfferUp. Go on OfferUp. You never know. Number 3 is the guest blogging. Find other content creators on there and get them to provide you with their content to share on your post. Remember, it's a win-win. How are they valuing? Because now they're getting exposed to more people, right? And you have to explain this in your little proposal that you're sending to them, right? That's number 3. Number 4 is to create motivational quotes with models wearing your t-shirts, right? Get creative with it. Make sure it makes sense. And number 5 is to do a try-on haul, guys. So if you found this useful, again, make sure you press that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.